We're moving on, starting with the man's perspective. Shift your weight to the right leg, rotating the lady counterclockwise, exactly the same as we did in the previous part. Put out the left hand, then lead it above the lady's head, and shift your weight to the left leg, but this time lead your left hand behind your back. Let go with the right hand, then place it on the lady's waist. Rotate your entire body counterclockwise, entering the dip. Then straighten your left knee, pulling the lady out of the pose. Your left hand goes back to the frame position. Gentlemen, during the dip, keep most of your weight on the left leg with your left knee bent. Direct your hips forward to the partner and keep your back straight. Avoid leaning over the lady because you may lose your balance. Stay upright to create the counterweight for her. If you want to go deeper into the pose, do it by bending your left knee more, rotating your body more, and straightening your right elbow more to lead the partner lower. Then straighten your knee, pull the partner up, and rotate to go back to the neutral position. Now let's focus on the lady's perspective. Rotate counterclockwise, taking 4 steps. Left leg, place the right hand in the man's hand, continue. Right, left, right, end up with your right side to the man and place your right hand around his waist. Keep your weight on the right leg, bend your right knee, left leg is straight and in front of you, direct your hips forward and up, and tilt your upper body and head backward. Let's show this from the front as well. So again, rotate counterclockwise, taking 4 steps. Left, right, right, bend your right knee, keep the left leg straight and lead it slightly forward. Tilt backward, then straighten your right knee and go back to the vertical position. During the dip, try to stay within your own balance as much as you can. Avoid pulling the partner with you. Gentlemen, one more important pointer for you. When the lady finishes her rotation and takes her last step, you should use your left leg to adjust your distance to her, positioning your left foot very close to her right foot. You should also rotate slightly counterclockwise. We want to end up close to each other to create the connection through the pelvises. Then, gentlemen, bend your left knee, leading the right foot to the right side. Again, your task is to adjust your position to the lady's position to where she has ended the rotation, otherwise you will pull her out of her balance while getting into the dip. Ladies, the more you bend your right knee, the deeper you will be able to go into the pose. Okay, let's go back to our proper direction. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4.